So ExactFlat leverages the existing SolidWorks drawing tools in place. So to create a drawing, we just go to File. Actually, it's a good idea to always save your part before you create a drawing. So we go to File, Make Drawing from Part, and then all you do is you select your template. Your organization will probably have a custom template created here that includes your own personalized data block. So pick whichever template you need and click OK, and this will create a new drawing. We then pick our paper size and click OK. And once you've done that, you can then drag your different views onto the document. So this is exactly the same as the existing SolidWorks drawing tools. There's no difference here. You just drag your views on, and that will create the drawing for you. ExactFlat does augment the SolidWorks drawing tools with some additional information. Most notably, we can see the seam allowances have been added here, as well as the notch symbols for our notches. We can also see the grain lines on our pattern pieces as well. So you can use any of the SolidWorks drawing tools to create your standard drawings, and then ExactFlat also includes a few additional features in the ExactFlat drawing tools command manager. From here, we can add different tables, such as piece tables, material tables, edge, notch, hardware tables, and we can add balloons to the different elements of the pattern to help correlate those different elements with the tables. We also have callouts. If you want to skip the table and balloons, the callouts will add all that information as a very defined tag on your pattern piece. So if we wanted to add an edge table showing us what all of our different seam allowances and hems are, we can click on Edge Table. We can pick our table template here. I'm going to change this to Detailed, and this will generate an edge table. So we will drop our edge table right there. And now over here, we can start adding balloons to identify our different edges with the different edge IDs in the table here. So from this table, we can see all of the different seam types. We can see our 10mm joins, we can see our 2mm hems, our 8mm hem, and so on. And it will tell us what the length of those edges are. As we start adding our piece balloons, we can start identifying the different edges to the different entries in the table here. So if I pick this edge here, I can add an edge balloon, and I can change the style here. I might want to change this to some other shape, such as a circular split line. Circular, and this just allows us to identify the different edges. So this balloon tells us that this edge here is edge 6. If we look in the table, that's a 10mm join. So we can proceed adding all of our different labels here. My apologies, this is piece balloon, so this is telling me piece ID. So I'm actually going to click the red X, and I'm going to delete all these balloons here. So if I added a piece table, this would tell me what my different pieces are. So this time we're going to pick edge balloon. So it's telling me this is edge 20, which is a 10mm join. This edge over here is edge 10. We have edge 16, 3, 6, 1, 2, and so on. So balloons simply reference the different IDs in the corresponding table and help you correlate your pattern information to the different table entities. Whereas a callout, we can use callout for the different piece names. This will simply tell you what the name of the piece is, and it will tell you that directly on the drawing. So that's our outside left. This piece is our backrest. This one here is seat. Inside right, outside right, and outside left. So it looks like we mixed up our names a little bit there, but that's okay. We can fix that later on. So once you're happy with your drawings, you can then do whichever procedure is recommended by your company. You can either save your drawing to a SolidWorks drawing file, or you can save it as a PDF for import into a PLM system. So ExactFlat drawing tools, they simply augment the existing tool set of SolidWorks drawing tools. So you can use whichever tools you want, however you want, to create your best drawings.